Welcome everyone to this explainer. Today, we're looking at a massive shift in how intelligent systems are built and scaled. Okay, let's dive right into this. We're unpacking the brand new Datadog ADK and examining exactly how it is totally altering the landscape of Google Cloud AI development.
So if you're a cloud engineer, an AI developer, or a tech leader, I want you to consider this really fundamental question. How do you actually revolutionize AI development? Establishing a baseline AI model, that's one thing, right? But scaling complex, intelligent projects without hitting those massive operational bottlenecks, things like tracking token limits, debugging infinite agent loops, or monitoring prompt latency, now that is the real challenge. The answer doesn't just lie in writing better code. It's actually about completely upgrading the toolkits and the environments we use to build and monitor that code.
Which brings us to our first main area, the AI Acceleration Challenge, and how we move beyond the baseline. Because standard AI development really needs a massive speed boost to keep up with modern demands.
Notice the deliberate use of the word revolutionizing here, because honestly, we aren't talking about a minor patch or some slight quality of life update. Datadog's integration with Google Cloud represents a structural shift in how fast and how effectively developers can move from concept to deployment. It literally changes the fundamental mechanics of observing and optimizing AI applications at scale. It's a real game changer.
So, let's move on to our second section and meet the tool that's solving this. Enter the Datadog ADK, the ultimate catalyst for speed.
Let's break this down so we're all on the exact same page, whether you're a total novice stepping into cloud architecture or a seasoned expert. ADK stands for Agent Development Kit. It's a specialized, brand new toolkit from Datadog, built with one fundamental design philosophy: to accelerate AI development by providing deep observability right out of the box. You can kind of think of it like an engine built specifically to power the creation and management of AI agents. Instead of just flying blind, developers get immediate tracing for complex prompt chains, detailed monitoring of LLM token usage, and instant visibility into execution latency. It completely removes the friction of building custom monitoring solutions from scratch, which, let's be real, is usually what slows development teams down to a crawl.
To really grasp the impact, let's compare standard AI development to an ADK accelerated workflow. Traditionally, building out these systems is just incredibly disjointed. You're piecing together all these different monitoring tools, trying to manually correlate infrastructure metrics with application logs, and basically fighting against blind spots in your agent chains. When an AI agent hallucinates or stalls, finding the root cause is a massive headache. But when you flip to the ADK accelerated workflow, all that friction just disappears. It provides end-to-end traces that map exactly what the agent is doing at every single step. It acts as the ultimate solution for those development bottlenecks, streamlining the whole shebang so your team can actually focus on innovation rather than infrastructure debugging.
Okay, moving on to our third section, Google Cloud synergy and the immense power of ecosystems, because where this revolutionary acceleration takes place is absolutely crucial.
So the really crucial point here is how these elements perfectly overlap. You don't just use the ADK in a vacuum, right? You leverage it directly within Google Cloud. And why does that actually matter? Well, because this integration is specifically tailored for Google's most powerful AI services. We're talking about deep, seamless connections with tools like Vertex AI and Gemini models. You pair Datadog's highly specialized agent tracing with Google Cloud's massive scalable infrastructure. This means as you scale your Vertex AI deployments, your observability just scales automatically right alongside it. It's the synergy between these two platforms that creates such powerful momentum. They literally amplify each other's strengths.
Now, for the tech decision makers tuning in, let's look at the logical step-by-step flow of the user experience here. Step 1, you build your foundation on Google Cloud. Step 2, you introduce the Datadog ADK into that ecosystem. And here's the best part. Because your foundation is already established, introducing the ADK doesn't require some massive re-architecture. It slots seamlessly right into your existing pipelines. Then, step 3, you immediately accelerate your AI workflows. Your time to value is drastically reduced because you aren't spending weeks manually instrumenting your code. You lay the tracks, upgrade the engine with the ADK, and accelerate directly into deployment.
Bringing us to our final section, revolutionizing AI development, and the ultimate takeaway from all of this.
The core thesis of everything we've looked at today comes down to this single idea: accelerating AI with the new ADK. We aren't just talking about a minor update, but a true revolution in how we build AI. Datadog and Google Cloud together are achieving something massive here. By focusing specifically on the Agent Development Kit, they're directly addressing the mathematical and architectural friction points of modern AI creation. It empowers developers to build smarter systems,
deploy them way faster on Google Cloud, and monitor every single token and prompt trace with absolute precision.
So I want you to take a hard look at your own tech stack, your workflows, and your timelines. The tools to build faster, monitor deeper, and scale smarter are officially here. And the Google Cloud ecosystem is completely primed. The only question left is your AI development truly ready for the ADK revolution?